Hazrat Abu Salama has reported from Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu that a man from Aslam tribe came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and confessed adultery. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned his face away from him until when he testified 4 times against himself. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, "Are you suffering from insanity?" He replied, "No." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Are you married?" He submitted, "Yes." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon issued orders, so he was stoned to death in the Eidgah. The moment the stones struck him, he fled away. We caught him and pelted him with the stone until he died. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam later remembered him in good words and performed his funeral prayer. Ibn Jurayj did not report the performance of the prayer from Zuhri. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6820.